I've been here just under 2 years now, and what I like best, what I experience best, is the water. Water defines us. We have water on all the three sides, and we're at one corner of the island, right next to the historic Bolgatty Palace built by the Dutch. And for me, I've grown up playing in ponds and rivers and on both sides of the family. So when I see water, when I'm near water, it calms me down. And what better way to work? These extra activities are what people travel for nowadays. This is a leisure boat. We want people from across India, from around the world to come and stay with us. And you want to experience something that is very local, but still within the luxury of an AC bedroom, it is possible. And if we wanted to, we could have crammed this 100-foot long boat with many things, but we wanted it luxurious, we wanted it more personal as well. We want a family of 2 or a family of 4 to come and stay with us and enjoy the Vembanad Lake. So you have 2 spaces upstairs, 1 space upstairs, 1 here on the floor, and a dining space, and then you have a smaller outer deck as well, from which of course you can get great views all around, all the way up to the mouth of the sea.
Adding to the latest edition, we have a fantastic houseboat, which is not just a houseboat, it is actually a presidential suite on water, I would say. The rooms are as big as the hotel room. It's a 100 feet length boat, which has 2 bedrooms. In most of the scenarios, we will have 10 or 12 bedrooms. So we wanted to ensure that the luxury aspect of the boat is also as good as the hotel. We are also exploring avenues where we could add more experiences. There's about 100 odd experiences.
And so the very first thing that people ask us is, can we do a boat cruise? Obviously you can't do a boat cruise elsewhere, and it can be an overnight one, it can be something that you do during the day, something you do with the children. But how we do it differently is that we take you to the interiors, to the canals, to the, to where people live, to where locals still farm, where people still fish using traditional methods, whether it's by the rod or the net and the Chinese fishing net, and where people still fell trees, climbing coconut trees. So these are experiences that you will not see every other day in every other destination. So you come here and we take you there. On the lake, there's a lot to do. Like, you can kayak, you can get on a catamaran ride, you can go on an interactive toddy experience where the toddy, the beverage that comes from the palm, is tapped, and you can taste it, you can see what kind of food goes with it. Can you have your kappa and fish curry, the spicy traditional coastal food that you have? You can try all of that. But my personal favorite would be Fort Kochi. Now, I've grown up cycling those lanes and walking down those streets, and almost every other church or Jain temple there is known to me. And for us, when we curated the destination experiences as well, we decided not just a car ride. You can see Fort Kochi in 6 different ways. You can walk, you can take the rickshaw, you can even sit in the comfy interiors of your car, or you can do a photography tour. So the cycle tour also shows you 31 different communities that live in that small little space. Now, these are experiences that are in and around the hotel, around the lake, within about half an hour from here. We also want people to understand what we offer, what Kochi offers in the rest of the district. One of the best things that you can do is watch the mighty Adrapalli waterfalls from a private space. So the usual traveler gets to see it from the top down, and we take you through the jungle, we take you on a walk along with the naturalist where he explains what is the kind of flora and fauna that live there and what kind of food the Adivasis have, and then you look up and the spray, the mist hits your face. This is something not every other tourist can see, and that is a special feeling.